rosemary. Since its primordial Mediterranean origins, the woodsy citrus-like fragrance of rosemary has graced gardens, kitchens, and apothecaries throughout the world. A lovely herb with tags like dew of the sea and old man, rosemary is related to mint and resembles lavender, with leaves like flat pine needles touched with silver. Rosemary is one of the herbs with 1,000 uses. It's extremely hardy and therefore easy to grow and maintain inside or out. Indoors, it requires lots of light, but not too much heat and humid air. Spritz the plant with water a few times a week. Add an entire sprig to vegetable soups for a bright, unique flavor. Where to buy rosemary? Even though dried herbs and spices are widely available in supermarkets, explore the local spice stores in your area. Oftentimes, these stores feature an expansion selection of dried herbs and spices that are of superior quality and freshness to those offered in regular markets. How to take rosemary? Rosemary is an astringent herb and can be used as an infusion. 1 teaspoon of herb per cup of water with 1/4 to 1/2 of a cup 3 times per day, or 2 tablespoons every 2 hours. Rosemary weight loss recipe. Ingredients: 1 glass of water, 1 stick of rosemary, 3 slices of lime. How to prepare? Add rosemary and lime to drinking water. Chill. Wait 2 hours before drinking. Benefits: rosemary is naturally rich in carnosic acid, a substance that keeps the pounds off by inhibiting the formation of fat cells. It also helps muscles soak up glucose, helping lower blood sugar levels and potentially moderating hunger. Rosemary also contains anti-inflammatory compounds that may make it useful for reducing the severity of asthma attacks. In addition, rosemary has been shown to increase the blood flow in the head and brain, improving concentration. So the next time you enhance the flavor of some special dish with rosemary, congratulate yourself for a wise as well as delicious choice. Precaution: rosemary has convulsant and epileptogenic properties and may cause seizures. Rosemary may also cause allergic contact dermatitis, although not generally considered to be a human synthesizer. Ingestion of a large quantity of rosemary may cause stomach and intestinal irritation, kidney damage, and/or toxicity. Avoid dosages of rosemary during pregnancy above those found in food, as safety and efficiency is unknown. Before you add this tea to your diet, you should speak to your healthcare provider to be sure rosemary is safe for you.